Welcome to the charming Disney Newport Bay Club, nestled on the shores of Lake Disney, just a short scenic stroll from the Disneyland Park in Paris and the newly rebranded Disney Adventure World. My name is Taylor with the Vacationeer, and today we're stepping inside a superior room. We'll be covering every detail to give you a complete look at what to expect before you secure your next stay. Before booking, remember to contact the Vacationeer for exclusive rates and insider knowledge like how to get park tickets included with your stay. Our concierge services provide value you won't find anywhere else, so reach out today to secure the best deal on your next Disney vacation. Now, without further ado, let's jump right in and tour the room. The Superior Room is the entry-level category here at the Newport Bay Club, but don't let that fool you. This hotel is packed with nautical charm, and the subtle theming throughout this room is incredibly unique. From the custom headboards to the intricate knots in the carpet, complete with hidden Mickey ears, the attention to detail is exactly what you'd expect from Disney. As you enter the room, on one side you'll find the vanity and storage area. To one side is the large vanity with plenty of lower storage to tuck your essentials away, plus a built-in hairdryer. Directly opposite, you'll find a dedicated hanging space with shelving above and below, along with the room safe, iron, and ironing board. The bathroom in these family rooms features a classic shower tub combo with an adjustable handheld wand and daily refilled bath amenities. A convenient towel rack rounds out the space with the toilet tucked privately in the corner. Moving into the bedroom, you'll find two queen-size beds. These are set on elevated platforms, providing plenty of clearance underneath to tuck away large suitcases and keep the floor clear. Between the beds sits a nightstand with a drawer for smaller items, and you'll find European power outlets conveniently located on either side. Across from the beds, a large wardrobe sits beneath a flat panel smart TV. This serves as your primary drawer space for the room. Just underneath the TV, you'll find the updated outlets featuring both European plugs and USB ports for all your devices. Next to the TV is one of my favorite features, the Lavazza coffee maker, which is refreshed daily with your preferred flavors. There's also a kettle for tea and hot chocolate for the kiddos and young at heart. In the corner of the room, there's a versatile desk with a mirror that doubles as a vanity. You'll also find power outlets tucked behind if you need a dedicated workspace. It's important to note that the superior rooms offer a few different perspectives depending on their location. You might overlook the front lawn and parking areas, or the lake with the walking path leading straight to the parks. Speaking of the parks, the Newport Bay Club is just a quick 10-minute walk from both Disneyland Park and Adventure World. For families, this proximity is a massive plus. It gives you the freedom to easily pop back for a midday nap, a quick outfit change, or a quiet break from the crowds without having to wait for a shuttle or transfer. Beyond your room, there's so much to explore. You can enjoy delicious cuisine at the Yacht Club restaurant or feast like royalty at the Cape Cod buffet. You can also unwind with a signature cocktail at the captain's quarters, take a refreshing dip in the Nantucket pool, or simply stroll around the lake and enjoy the peaceful setting. Ready for the grand tour? Dive into our full resort guide or check out our videos touring the other rooms and suites. We also have detailed room tours of nearby Disneyland Hotel right here on the channel for you to explore as well. To make the most of your Disneyland Paris vacation, reach out to your Vacationeer advisor or click the booking link down below and get started. We handle every detail of planning so you can simply sit back, relax, and soak up every bit of the Disney magic. This is Taylor from the Vacationeer, and if this tour helped you envision your next royal getaway, please give it a like, hit subscribe, and share it with all your Disney friends.